easy. So make it. That is the person. That people. That is it. Now, have you now Muhiko? He loved us, fought for us, even defended us. We have lost one of our biggest speakers in our family, both from my mom's side and that side. Yeah, they don't know. Not before together was okay at home. Those are people who have always worked with us. Because I can say at the time, 6 points up, mom was not working. And dad was also not working. But this friend of dad never got her to come to our home, never got her to come and visit us. Baba school. You're the one to take away. Family, please, see to that man utaichukua simu yetu. Please. Nimeipata dada kinibunika. Because I believe both from our families kuna watu dada alisaidia. But when we needed them most, no one who picks on. But Papa Shiko hataituangusha. Unaweza ongea mbaya zake. But the truth is that he has not filled us. Cambodia also, Nama. These are people that will come and tell us that hatuongei na Cambodia nilikosea. But after 3 days you find them laughing and calling each other all sorts of names. He was a loving person. He loved to see people together. He even loved my kids. Because I remember for the last 2 or 4 months, I and my wife, I used to wake up in the morning to take medicine to him because he was diabetic and had pressure. So the small boy who came here, it's called Maìthorì. Every time when I woke up, he told me, Papa, woke up. He always reminded me that tunafaa tupelekea daddy dawa. He loved him. I used to tell him, Kehe kiara ya ukomode. Ananiambia pana kiutike usinu Mwanake. Usinu Mwanake. Todo no wodi na mushuru. Whenever we used to fight that with my sisters, he used to ask us. I remember like 3 months ago, he asked us, "Ikenya modo mo geikara." Okay, he wanted to see us happy. Even if they were the ones of the wrong, my dad would ask me, now when I'm going to walk away, he gave you my call. Or get and I come. I'll be like, he's sorry, mate. He never wanted anyone to mistreat our kids. He used to wake up so early in the morning just to train my younger sister how to improve from his studies. And honestly, today when I went to school to ask for permission, the teacher told me that since for the last 3 months, Manis has improved. Because today, CRE alikuwa na 100%. Today, I'm talking about today. She used studies where she used to get 29. Today she had 50 out of 60. So, what that used to wake up to do to our kid, our sister, baby sister, has been seen today. And it's a testimony that my sister is going to pass this exam. We are going to make it. That has so many people in. But I'm sure we are not going to get wasted. Karango, the day I got, I could not meet Bishop JJ and Muhiko. When I got him, he told me, I'm in India, but let me give you 10,000. I've never interacted with Karango. But I told him that is sick. The next thing he said was 10,000, which he never told me, give me back. Something else, we welcome everybody who was a good friend at that. and we don't want issues with anyone. If you have issues now with us, please handle it before it goes. Because me, I'm not going to handle anything here. I'm not going to handle it. I'm not going to handle it. Please, the committee is here, handle it. The committee. Mimi usikuje simu kupea. Na kaa tu nipatie msaidizi asante. Lakini usikuje kusumbua sisi na watu wetu. Tafadhali respect us hivyo. You watu wa media mumeongea vingi. Sasa mmejionea leo. Mlisema watadia shikani yake na watu. Hawa wote wenye mnaangalia shikani walipitia mkononi mwao. My post what to say. So hurting. Because wewe furahia kutafuta vizako. Lakini kuna mtu anaumiza zaidi. Knowing very well. Nilikuwa naingia kina DJ papers. Because na anajua yakimdasiu. Kwa hivyo nitaniranjitana na ndo karo kinyanyitana na wale watu kwenye kintanile. So please be good to us. I saw even some comments yesterday at home. You are so hurt. So I just hope I'm strong back.
Thank you so much.
It's well.
Kiko na kuri orosio hau. Ona kwenda kuga mundu wothe moete kamera iguru. Kiria mundu ahandaga. No kegeka atia? Agetha. Turithia ciana biu. Reke ciana irere biu ni uria urandika. Nigetha tukugathiririe. Nigetha ugie na likes. Ugie na subscribers aingĩ. No Ngai ndakareka mundu akome mbĩrĩra-inĩ atacaĩte ũrĩa anacaĩria ingĩaga kuga ciugo icio tondũ o gũkũ kũrĩ andũ ega no gũkoragwo na andũ oru arĩa maragia o ũrĩa mekwenda arĩa tu tondũ kĩhoto kĩ guoko-inĩ gwaku no mũthenya ũmwe ciaku nĩ ikario na cikario ciana ciaku ciĩroreire na nĩ ũgakona ihinda iritũ mũno tirĩ na ũndũ ũngĩ
nĩ kwenda kũnoti ũhoro wa mũthuri ũyũ as we talk now kadona mahujio na Othe Maìthorì. This was closest person to this family, and I would love to put it clear to these media guys. Muhiko darari wa muteithio. He was not a needed person. Muhiko arari muteithia. Na ndenda kugo kukaburi mainana na mundu witwa washiko mwiga ihaha. Muhiko was not a needy man. Acio amwe mangĩterwo mateithie Muhiko ndakobori. Muhiko araikara kwake. So let it be known by everybody, he was not needy. Muhiko have a neighbor son, and Muhiko was rich at the Kinyatoi agĩrwo gwake ithuĩ gwitũ kũrĩo. This man wasn't needy. No ndĩmwĩrire kinya njeci ciake nĩ iria ndambũre mũno nĩ ikuagĩra mbara-inĩ. He was an wounded soldier in the battle. Mũrimũ ũgĩũka ũgĩkua mũtumia na ũracokora mũkua. Na tiwe wa mbere aini nĩ mathiĩte. Achibarosa makuite na accident mũrũgami wa uni Matthew very many na gũkua anybody can die. Nĩkũhoya tũhoyaga Ngai kĩtũkĩka. Kaingĩ tiga igũikia maũndũ off the balance. Nĩndũ aciana ici. Their father was not needy. And what we are doing, we are not giving because they are needy. We are doing because it's noble. Tone prudent na ni weka go. To Jesu alikuwa kufuatilia Yohana. Yohana kufuatilia Yesu. Jesu ni Yohana ni alikete. Akogawawe munene kukira ndiye kufuatilia. No Jesu akimwira ni wega gwikaga maria makaniga na uthi. Ona kwa de munene gukira no kinya ubatithi. So we are doing this because this man was our senior. Nierelete mugekinya kumwoneka wira ni rwimbo rwa kinyaga mbere na nyimbo nyingi twandikite nake on a video ya kinyaga mbere ni nite koragwo na ndoike Elijah Mirakia has been sponsored by him, and Elijah Mirakia is a great name by the Othe Muhiko. He used to be very down. No, this man, and I retaliate, Muhiko was not needy, and I know Pastor Elijah Mirakia, you can assert it. Matilda is here. Muhiko was not needy. Anybody not portray that needy, he wasn't. I read to Muhiko. Namwangi. Your dad was a fighter, was a neighbor man, was a path maker, path fighter. nä må ndå å kä thire njä ra må titå mwä rä å kä må hä tä ria thikå nini tu na arathi amwe aitå haha kå ngä aria ma twä na ndawa mä huko na ingä cingarä-inä makari mau marerwo manene maingä mao mena ndawa no rä ngä rä gatitå ka mwene kangoro kau nagwo no nä mwene. So let's not put this family na Maìthorì. Their mother left like less than 2 years ago and timehia mehiri haria ndumuririe Jesu mundu uri hano gutori kuhihia kana ni aciari akimura kiwothiru uguo getha Ngai agocame. We have done this before, we will be doing it. Origo that tore bari agakuo na guthe guciara go gukuago. I speak these words karangu to encourage you. I know na wewe ugera challenges nyingi ukiruta wira uyu. Let this man okay karaka mtevira wake. If you feel you not give, don't, but don't talk much. These people who write too much on the social media, they give so little. Na again, the very young looking for viewers. Either talk on the clearly talk about social media. What are the kina Google? How do you JJ book about media? What are the keto? Oh, with Sissy Magwiji. Moigai made the name with media. Mira made it with the media. Kabori and the rest are my nana. What social media? To an KBC too. Nayari VOK. We made our way. Mukituana to Heshimuni Tameni. Heshimu huyu jamaa, he was a producer jado yake kono oinenyo ya ndagia daishi zani sha CD. I think he's the man who have produced him the best selling oini wake. Kindly I beg you, then you want to register as your bishop. Let's respect this family. Let them mourn peacefully. Mamoni kinyatole kibiroyo mwiri tushoreka kikaranyo bansi kikaranyo na thayo thimu mahoere mukimenyaga kwanyu no gukakio kando cikara guko cigo imucie cia makie muno ikando ici nä gakio na ndå ä gakia yaku tondå gakorwo ho rä a thiä handå haha barahe handå harä a ndä mathandå ku kä ndå mahiru ngä å ria må tumia å cio ithandå kå rä rä rima mbia cigana korwo rä a ngiri 40 rä a 60 na rä a 200 ngä må rä rä 200 nä onda kana rä na må ndå makä njä ra mwene arä o gå kå bara kä hä tå ka arä o gå kå tå ti mwene arä o gå mwene rä rä atä ona no kå rahä tå kä ro haha no gå tirä må ndå ithandå kå rä ake twarä kagårwo nä komiti nä wega tå mandå atatå koguo mwene arä o gå kå ta imagine rä aku no korwo rä handå nä irä ku no å rä o gå kå å kä aragia å kä mecaga round å gä kaga atä na tå media twaku. We own media houses and we don't talk much. We own media houses, not online channels. We own media houses and we don't talk much. Na haha hena athuri mena indo nyingĩ mũno makirĩte gũkũ tuo ũguo ũrona na tũgoti itonga ikorerete but ireferee mũtĩnĩrĩ negenaga mũno. I beg you mũreke tũrĩkie rũgendo rũrũ na ciana citigaite maithori magaitwo gwaku kana kwanyu. I'm not saying this to you mourners, I'm saying this to those who hurt in this family. The morning that Muhiko died, Ngai nĩarekire athiĩ niĩ mainanama Elijamira Mwaigai gũtirũ kĩanyitikire na thimũ. Our phones were off. Gĩtũmi kĩa Ngai kũhoria thimũ citũ ciothe atĩ mũndũ ũrĩa wanyitikire nĩ mũndũ wĩ nja ya bũrũri nginya kambũni ndanyitikire tondũ nĩ tũngĩarũgamire gatagatĩ ka Ngai na Muhiko. Maybe nĩ tũngĩageririe nginya kũmũtwara kũndũ tũkũgiria Ngai eke wendi wake. Why did God have to come between us? And agĩkiria thimũ citũ ithiĩ so that he wanted him to rest. He didn't wanted him to go. And the time will come. Rĩrĩa ngabatarania, nobody will stop. My friends will mourn and will come do what you have done here. Yes. Somebody will speak the way I have spoken. Na mtiri mũndũ karũgama gatagatĩ gaku na Ngai akũbatara. Na mũthenya ũcio mũratwarwo kwendete mũno agakorwo thabarĩ kana thimũ yake ĩtarĩrĩka. Like he did, mũndũ ũyũ nĩ mũthoniwe, they have married sisters. He could not be reached. Arĩa marichekaga nĩ acofinga after everything was done. And the man has gone. He died peacefully and he is at peace. Let him rest and let the family rest in peace. Ithuĩ haha kama wazee wa kitambo na ilia rĩu na andũ a thutha ũyũ na andũ a memerekia na andũ a online na andũ a media arĩa othe wendi mwega tũtigĩrĩre wĩra ũyũ nĩwathira mwana ũyũ nĩathoma na mwaki nĩoya mũthingi wa family ĩyo. So we are not raising funds because the man is needy. We want to stabilize the family. So the death was sudden. The death was so sudden. Hatirĩ time ya kwĩgaya. Kũrĩa andũ marwaraga mũno makahinyĩrĩrĩka akahota kũrauga ngendona nona no kũrĩa andũ maguthũkagĩrwo ataugĩte wendi wake. Rĩu wendi wake nĩ ithuĩ tũkuga ta arata na ithuĩ tũbange ũrĩa tũngĩona kone gwaku ũngĩka atĩa. Tũgĩtiga mwaki tũmũtige karĩ thirĩ togwauga na ndagoke kũrandũrwo thirĩ nĩ mũndũ. Let's put it very well. Akorwo hena na thirĩ wa Muhiko mbeca iria irarutwo gũkũ nĩ komĩtĩ cia gũthika Muhiko ti cia kũrĩha mathirĩ make. Thirĩ wake nĩ mũkaigua kĩaya gĩake kana nyũmba yake mwaki nĩ endia kana mũgũnda wa Muhiko mwaki nĩ endia ũgathiĩ ũgĩre thirĩ tondũ indo icio nĩ cia Muhiko ciendio. No ici irarutwo gũkũ nĩ citũ mureke tubanga mathiko mundu withire urane Muhiko arena thire wake na tureke program citu na bia citu ici ndukagire ti cia mwaki ti cia family ni citu ta agiore ndi mwega until tureke mathiko kira gigatigara tone family mwete na mwaki akendia mugunda wa ithe kana broti ya ithe ukiorandure akorwo kiungo muigai haha na ne njugire ukuri ukiohegaga ukinenehaga kamburia haha na andu angi ni tutigagira ore kana ndugire kuri andu tutigagira bara hiyo ni tutigagira bara lakini hawa wazee wako hiyo mambo you report to the spot. Asante sana Karango, you can continue.